Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this. Can you see the smile? Can you see, look, it's in. finally, finally, my good engine, my permanent engine is in. Say permanent, who knows? Anyway, my CG13 Nissan K11 micro engine is now in my Mini and it's mounted. There we go. So, what I'll do is I'll take you off the tripod and I will show you what I've done to it. So then because I'm going to call this a refresh. It's not a rebuild, it's a refresh. Because obviously I went through, I know the engine was a good engine. It done about 72,000 miles. The donor car that I bought obviously a full car, and this is the engine out of it. So I knew it run, drove, no smokes, no bangs, no noises that shouldn't be there. So more than happy with that. So what I've done is I've refreshed it. So I'll take you off the tripod so you can actually see what I'm talking about. So my refreshed engine. Let's start from the top. So we've got a nice aluminium oil cap there and my freshly powder coated rocker cover, as you can see. Went for the crinkle effect. Thank you to Unique Coatings for that. Looks absolutely superb. Mr. Retro Leads HT leads. If you don't know, get to know. They're like a quarter of the price of Magnacore, and I've seen lots of demonstrations with them. I'm more than happy, and I've used them on cars in the past. Brand new spark plugs, and then we'll look down the back of the engine. Got a brand new water pump here. Went for the composite one as well. Bosch oil filter. We come round here and we've got brand new Bosch what is it? It's a distributor cap and dizzy arm in distributor cap and arm inside there. What else is there? Oh, if we go down, that is a brand new sump. It's obviously gaskets. So they've got these little half moon gaskets in here. And you can see the water pump that side as well. Obviously I've painted the engine. I'm quite happy with that, and the gearbox. The gearbox has had a 3-piece clutch, so brand new release bearing, clutch and pressure plate all fitted into there. Quite happy with that. And I think that's more or less it for a refresh. Obviously a new rocker cover gasket. Obviously while you're there you do it. I am absolutely over the moon. If you just look there, look, you see? CG13, oh yes. So a lot of you are going to say, well, where's the video of you putting it in? Where is that video? I had issues with the SD card. It kept crashing. Then I had issues with trying to mount it. It just wasn't working. So it involved a lot of head scratching, a lot of looking at previous pictures of how the old engine was mounted because it was the same block, and then also involved a lot of swearing, a lot of shoving, pushing, as engine conversions do. I mean, if you want to see someone pull an engine and put it back in a Mini, just go watch Cole's channel, Classic Mini DIY. I mean, the guy's always taking it out for some reason. I don't know why. Sorry, Cole. Not sorry. Anyway, so yeah, so it's a refresh. I'm quite confident in that. So the next things to do will be exhaust manifold, inlet manifold, all the water pipes, obviously the radiator, brace bars, and then wiring. So it's been that long ago now. I got a gentleman called Richard at Rag Racing who basically grass tracks micros, I think. And he completely stripped apart my loom, cut out what I didn't need, and then labelled it up for what I do need. So I've gone through that, and it does look quite self-explanatory. I won't be doing that because I am not a wiring guy, but hopefully that should be quite simple-ish. So yeah, it's time to now get everything mounted up and things, because this is the engine that's permanently staying in. You might have seen on some of them close-up shots my bolts. I ordered Allen key black bolts because I thought they'd look really nice against the red, and they've gone rusty. So there you go. So I'll be going for stainless now instead. Why not? And I think that's it. Yeah, so I'm moving on. Oh, and then Mr. Campion, I don't know if you still watch my videos, probably don't. You need to come up and help me measure the drive shafts, mate, because that's the last bit of the conversion, really. I've got the inlet manifold now, I've got the exhaust manifold, got the wiring loom. The last bit of the conversion, really, is the drive shafts. So Adam's going to come up and help me measure, and then we've got friends, or he's got friends, should I say, that I'm trying to make my friends. They're going to hopefully sort them shafts out for me. That's what she said. So I will leave it there. My videos now are short and sweet. I've told you many times before, YouTube ain't my passion. nuts and bolts is and working on cars. So I film as much as I can, and then, or I don't film and I think, oh, maybe I should have filmed that, but it's in. I am a very, very happy man, and yeah, join me for the next one where it'll be starting to mount things up. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. I'm old.